Hello students, electrophilic addition, next example, that is the next example, given compound, find out minor product and major product. So given compound is alkene, generally alkenes are undergoes electrophilic addition reaction. So now first step, now what to do here student, that is in first step is bond breaking. This bond breaking, that means this bond shifting towards right side only. Why? Because I already discussed in other videos. This back side is all electron releasing groups are there, so that's why this bond shifting towards right side only, right side only. So what happened, that is CH3 CH, then phenyl group, then CH, this carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. This carbon getting positive charge and this carbon getting negative charge. This bond shifting towards always right hand side only. So here in first step in electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is what? In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. What is electrophile? What I said, that is electrophile. Electrophile means electron deficient species or electron deficient species or positive species. Here HBr is there. In HBr one bond is there. This bond shifting towards right hand side means that is bromine is electronegativity species. Bromine is more electronegativity atom. So that's why this bond shifting towards right hand side. So this hydrogen getting positive charge and bromine getting negative charge. So here in this compound H plus, this H plus is called electrophile. In electrophilic addition reaction, first attacker is electrophile. Electrophile means that is H plus. This H plus. This H plus will attack always negative charge side. You remember students, this H plus will attack always negative charge species side. So what is the intermediate product, that is intermediate product will be formed. What is the intermediate product, that is CH3 CH, then phenyl, then CH plus, then CH2 minus is converted to CH3. This is the intermediate carbocation is formed. What about this intermediate carbocation? It is the this positive charge present on secondary carbon. So that's why it is called secondary carbocation. It is the secondary carbocation. So that is the stable intermediate carbocation is formed. Then after that, now what to do students, that is after that, here this Br minus is left. This Br minus is called nucleophile. In second step, now what to do here? First step is bond breaking, second step is electrophile will attack on negative charge side, and third step is Br minus. This Br minus means that is nucleophile. This nucleophile will attack always positive species side. Once again student, this is Br minus is called nucleophile. This nucleophile will attack always positive charge species. Positive charge species means this is secondary carbon having positive charge. So this Br minus will attack and this position. What is the final product, that is CH3? What is the final product, that is CH3 CH, then phenyl here CH Br, then CH3. This is the final product. This is the final product, but it is the minor product, not major. This is the minor product. So what about student, there is an electrophilic addition reaction. First step is bond breaking, then second step is electrophile. Electrophile will attack always negative charge species side, and after that next step is third step is Br minus. This Br minus is the will attack always positive species side. This is the three steps are possible. Here this is the intermediate carbocation is called. This intermediate carbocation, that is the stable carbocation is formed. In second step is that is electrophile will attack. This electrophile will attack that in second position. Second what is that is second step. This is the second step is called RDS, rate determining step or slow step. Rate determining step and slow step. In rate determining step and slow step, only electrophile will attack always negative charge side. That is the reason student. These are to form a after electrophile, that is intermediate carbocation is formed, that is the stable carbocation is formed. This is the first product is minor product is formed student. Then what about that is major product here? Major product means that is the next step, it is the secondary carbocation. This secondary carbocation want to be tertiary carbocation. Why? Because of that is rearrangement of carbocation. It is also called as rearrangement of carbocation. This positive charge beside carbon having one hydrogen is there, one phenyl group is there, one methyl group is there. Out of these three, which one is more favorable for shifting? That is already I give that is shifting more favorable for, that is hydride shifting is more favorable. First priority goes to hydride. Hydride shifting is more favorable than phenyl group. Phenyl group is more favorable than alkyl group. This is the order, student. First priority goes to shifting order is, first priority goes to H minus, that is hydride shifting. After that, if in case hydride is not there, so first priority goes to phenyl. If in case phenyl also not there, next goes to alkyl group. This is the order, student. This positive species beside carbon having one hydrogen is there, one phenyl is there, one methyl is there. So first priority goes to only hydride. This first priority goes to hydride, that is hydrogen. This is 1,2 shifting. 1,2 shifting means in between first carbon and second carbon. 1,2 shifting means positive and beside carbon, 1,2 shifting only. That is 1,2 shifting, that is hydride shifting, that is H minus, that is hydride shifting. This hydride shifting, one second, student, this hydride shifting towards right side, hand side. So what is the intermediate carbocation? Here? CH3, C, this carbon getting positive charge, then CH2, then CH3. It is the intermediate carbocation is formed after rearrangement of carbocation or shifting of hydride. Rearrangement means here positive charge present on secondary carbon, but here positive charge present on tertiary carbon. So that is called rearrangement of carbocation. So here out of these two, which one is more stable? Here this positive carbocation, this is a tertiary carbocation, it is a secondary carbocation. Out of these two, which one is more stable? Once again, so you remember, student, stability already we discussed in stability of carbocation order. We know that is the order, that is tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation is more stable than methyl group. This is order. So but here out of these two, which one is more stable? Here tertiary carbocation is there, here secondary carbocation is there. So out of these two, tertiary carbocation is the more stable, than secondary carbocation due to the hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation, how to calculate hyperconjugates? Already we discussed in previous video. Hyperconjugates depends on number of alpha hydrogens. So here number of alpha hydrogen, this positive charge beside carbon is called alpha carbon, this positive charge right side also called as alpha carbon. So this positive charge beside two alpha carbons are there, left side 3 hydrogens and right side 2 hydrogens, total 5 alpha hydrogens are present, alpha carbons containing alpha hydrogen. In this tertiary carbocation, in this compound, 5 hyperconjugates are present, that means 5 alpha hydrogens are present. These 5 alpha hydrogens equal to 5 hyperconjugates. So in this tertiary carbocation having 5 hyperconjugates are present, but in secondary carbocation having only 4 hyperconjugates are present. This positive charge beside carbon is called alpha carbon, this positive charge beside carbon is called alpha carbon. So in secondary carbocation having only 4 hyperconjugates are present, but in tertiary carbocation 5 hyperconjugates are present. So that is the reason, student, hyperconjugates depends on, stability depends on number of hyperconjugates. More number of hyperconjugate, more will be the stable. More number of hyperconjugate, that compound is always more will be the stable. That is the reason, student. So out of these two, which one is more stable? Tertiary carbocation is more stable. Then after that, student, that is one Br minus is left. This stability tertiary carbocation is there. After that, nucleophile, this means, that is nucleophile means Br minus. This Br minus will attack always positive species side. This Br minus will attack always positive species side. So what is the final product? We can write the final product, that is CH3, C phenyl, then here Br then CH2, then CH3. This is the final product student, this is the major product. This is the major product. So, here in this electrophilic addition reaction, two types of product will be produced. One is minor product, another one is major product. So, minor and major product depends on stability. Stability depends on number of hyperconjugates. This is the electrophilic addition student, that is hydride shifting. This is very most important for NEET and other competitive exams also student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.